Whoa, did you see that? What is up, toy testers? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going on a trip, not just to the racetrack, but to the future. Check this out. This is the Ford GT-90 from the legendary Hot Wheels Future Fleet 2000 series. It's black, it's pointy, and it looks like it belongs on a spaceship. Are you guys ready to see if this 26-year-old car can still outrun the new guys? Let's dive in. Okay, look at this shape. This car was actually a concept car. That means back in the 90s, Ford engineers sat down and said, let's build the craziest car ever. But we don't just look at cars here, we race them. Since this is the Future Fleet Edition, let's see if it can handle the gravity drop of doom. 3, 2, 1, go! Did you see that? It's so low to the ground that it hugs the track perfectly. That's called aerodynamics, guys. That's a fancy word for cutting through the air like a ninja sword. This car was part of the year 2000 Future Fleet. There were 4 cars in that set. Can you guess the others? Hint, one of them looks like a purple bubble. The Ford GT-90 is special because even though it's over 20 years old, it still looks more modern than cars made today. If you find one of these in your dad's old toy box, keep it safe. It's a total treasure. So, what do you think? Is the Ford GT-90 the coolest car from the future fleet, or do you prefer the new supercars? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more epic races, and remember, keep on racing. See you in the next one. Bye!